Welcome. In front of me is a CUBOT P80 Pro, and today I will show you how you can record a screen on this phone. So to get started, let's pull down our notifications by swiping down from the top of the screen and then swipe down once again to extend the list of visible toggles. On one of the pages we should have our screen recording toggle, so if you don't see it on the first page you can swipe to the left and this will show you additional pages where the toggle is located for me. Once you see it, you can simply tap on it. It will give you this pop-up right here letting you choose what kind of audio will be recorded. By default set to microphone. You also have the device audio or both. When using both, I would recommend using headphones though. And obviously if you don't want to record any audio, you can just toggle it off. And then the second thing is show touches on the screen, which will on the recording add a semi-transparent gray dot wherever your finger was pressing the display. So let's get started. So whatever you'll do right now will be recorded by the device. If you open some kind of applications, for the most part they should also be recorded, though keep in mind this doesn't apply to every application. I'll touch upon that a little bit more in a second. But once you're done recording, you can pull down your notifications, select stop, and it saves it to your Photos application or gallery, whatever we have right here, Photos. And in here we're going to navigate to Library, Movies, and you can see there is our screen recording. Now additionally you can also see my finger where it was pressing the display. Now going back to the limitations, there are certain applications that can block screen recorders. It's kind of going under the screen pinning, whatever it's called, and neither would you be able to record screen nor take a photo. And for the most part this is done to protect the user from any kind of malicious application that is trying to, for instance, see you put in your PIN for your bank application and stuff like that. But for the most part it's being used by dog shit application like Netflix, which just blocks it because they think they have the right to. Keep in mind they also block it without you ever logging in nor agreeing to any terms of use. Therefore, I would consider this to be a bit of a breach, though, you know, I never read the actual TOA, so maybe Android has some kind of thing about it. But yeah, if you ever encounter that your screen recording provided you with straight up black screen, just know that it is literally blocking it, and whatever you're trying to record has the ability to do so. Now, with that being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.